Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very short notice. We're going to Auto Club Speedway. We're gonna run both of these cars. We're just gonna go ahead and go fill up all the cars right now, and then we're gonna head 50 miles to Auto Club Speedway and see you guys there.
What are you doing?
Fixing some stuff that needs to be fixed, per usual. We always sign up for a track day when the cars are not running.
Well, nothing's running. Hey, but we're here right now. The hard work over here. This is why I'm the cameraman. Supervisor extraordinaire. This is why I don't trust your jack. Guys, if you ever have lonely thoughts and stuff like that, buy stuff from Harbor Freight. It'll make you feel better. That's the power of drifting right there.
This end link does look loose though.
Yeah? Like we would need to tighten it?
Yeah. Can you see right there? That gap right here?
Yeah. Alright, we'll check that out too. We'll tighten it. If you over like it just jumps.
Damn, look at all that oil. They got all the dirt from the track and then all the oil down there.
When Amazon breaks down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be hella tight.
Yeah, but once we break them in, posse. Alright, well.
Did you get both?
Huh?
Both? Can't say fucking the T's. So stick with me when I say bo. Bo.
¿Qué estás llamando bobo?
Bo.
Both?
Both.
Both?
Both.
Both bolts?
Yes.
What about them?
Did you get both?
Yes.
Hey man, I don't make fun of your stupid accent. We just got our food and look at this. Oh.
These don't look like they're cracking. Stop Tech street pads, not good. EBC yellow stuff brake pads, good.
Better?
Tested it on the Civic.
Did they stop?
Yeah.
Alright, that's all I need to know. That's all we need to know for this weekend, Adrian.
Just want people to know. Well, you took out your camera to record. I was blind. Took off my light.
Hurry up, I'm hungry. We've been here for half an hour extra because someone kicked the impact wrench.
It was me. 2 Uggas.
I moved the food. We're okay. Go back and forth, back and forth.
Stiff.
Oh, see, we're good, we're good.
Oh, you want a shake test?
So we know it's not that. So I'm trying to drop kick over here. Alright, I think that's for today. We'll see you on track. Day 7. No, I'm kidding. Track day morning. We're out here. The car's jacked up. I don't know. We'll probably make it. Got all the water out. Tough. All the tools here. Let's see what we do. Alright. We got Adrian up and running. We got the FRS up and running. Earlier we were just adding water. Didn't have time to record because I was filling up the cars. So we got that all plugged up. Got the Civic starting to load up. I loaded up the 300 already, ready to go. Don't mind the Prius, that's not ours. Alright, Now we just gotta load up everything else, and we should be golden.
Just pulling up. Auto Club Speedway. Can I take this straight? Aha. Got a go-kart track over there. We got the big stadium over here. Oh man, I haven't been here since before the pandemic started. So me and Brian have never raced here before, so at least there'll be something different, but also we might suck. Look at the stadium over there. We're probably gonna be racing up in there. Wow, this is kind of exciting. This is the moment right here. Let's see what people brought out to SCCA. I think I see my car dead over here. What's up? That's the baby right there. Alright, I'm gonna cut the camera.
About to go to the driver's meeting. Just got here to the track. Everything's unloaded. Agent doesn't want to pull out his GoPros and talk, so we're over here.
I was just about to go get it.
Liar.
I don't know where it is.
That's what I said. You're a liar.
If you find it.
Anyways, we got one of the OG sponsors, Arlo, right here. He wants to see himself on camera, so he's gonna be on camera. We got Miriam. She's over here eating chips. We brought the car. Finally brought the GoPro, Adrian. The 300.
Spicy with the white.
We got the FRS over there, luckily, and the Oko.
Alright guys, we are here. We still can't see how the track looks like, but it's somewhere over there. But yeah, we got Civic over here, FRS over there, car dead, Arlo's Elko right there. We brought the 300, somehow I made it. We got this big boy canopy. Yeah, we're just waiting for the driver's meeting. Then we're gonna head over to do our pace lap. What are your expectations? Any expectations?
First time on track, first time here. I think Arlo's done it once, so if anything, he has 4 wheels, we have 4 wheels. That's all you need to know.
I don't think I can beat him. I'll try, but I'm also like, this will be the first actual big test of the Civic.
Yeah.
Cause what was it, Apple Valley, I was only in 2nd gear. I wouldn't even go heavy on 3rd, versus here there's 2 long straights where
the point of this is Apple Valley was short circuit. It was quick left rights.
it's like suspension tuning mostly. And learn how to drive when you lose grip.
Yeah, get some throttle in there, you know, like rotate and stuff like that.
This is like a test of cars.
This is a test of high speed, momentum, keeping your line and stuff like that. So hopefully, like, we can compare this and that, and next time we're at Willow Springs, we'll be killing it. This is our training montage.
All right, we'll see you guys. What, session 1 or after pace lap?
After pace lap.
We'll see. We'll see. Here we go, boys. Real session 1. Decided, I forgot I had this mount on my dome light, so we're gonna see how that looks. I'm not time this lap. I'm gonna be running my boost gauge. Just want to see how the temps are looking. First big test of the Civic. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. I really don't want to be working on this car. Brian has a slight oil leak still. So that problem has not been fixed. Oh, let me put my helmet on. Should probably have done that before the gloves. Oh, I'm getting nervous. Feel like I gotta take a leak.